Hi, this is Bhairavi and welcome again to another episode of learning Lenormand cards. Alright, so next card is Snake. Snake. Yep. Complications, betrayal, treachery, things which are twisted and turns. It can also indicate troubles, a person who can be hurtful. A snake can also be smart. So in some cases, when the card is not extremely supposed to be negative, it can just show a person who can be smart. Now there is a difference between some number of cards. Because I'm not going to speak or compare two cards here, I'm just going to speak of particular card which we are speaking about. I would not name another card, but it does mean smart. It has a capacity. How would snake act? It will be blunt on your face. It would betray you on your face, or it would hurt you in a way where you would know. And in some cases, snake can also indicate a person who has spectacles. Very few cases. Usually when we are asking about glasses, then you can maybe say that, but usually it means complications. It can mean twists and turns and betrayal, mainly betrayal, hurtful. In another way also, if in case you're not talking about that part, it can also mean pipes.